Once again, Kubota lx2610 SU. Now let's take a look at this stacking valve, part number B7362. B7362. And this is a double acting valve section. B7304. B7304. Oh, I hope I got all the stock numbers written down. Alright, it's a double acting valve. Quite the handle. Like all our hardware, fittings, dust knobs, everything. Yeah, here. This feels kind of light. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, you get a new one. Look at that. You get a new little huh. You gonna go in or what? Anyway, that's where that goes. And this is new to me. Ooh, that's got some weight to it. Here's the manifold. And right here, held on with two 12mm bolts. There's like a little cover. And then somewhere we should have, oh, right up here, another 12 with like a little piece of flat metal. That's gonna need to come off, and that's gonna need to come off. That's to sandwich the valves together. Ooh, colored stickers. Holy moly. Keep those nice over there. Alright, here's the instruction manual. I'll try not to use them. Trash. Ooh, bunch of O-rings. Don't go cutting through that. Unless you mean business. Now, this little guy here is probably just gonna slip over here. Just so it doesn't rattle against the plastic. And careful cutting into this thing because there's a bunch of O-rings hiding in there. Anyway, they're all right there. Well, I got these valves packaged very well. Very, very well. The best. Yep, more O-rings. More O-rings. This little tube is part of the manifold. It's a lever. Save that for the end. Yep, so we got a couple female fittings, a couple male fittings. Whew. Oh, and this is for the That's for the fittings sticking out the back of the tractor. Ooh, that's a little reinforcement piece here. Now that I remember, I'm doing this on a different model tractor. It's similar. That must be for this. Look, another hole right here. So that's what that other hole is for in that fender. So when you see a hole, Kubota's letting you know you can spend money there. It's always I'm always learning. Always learning. Alright. Washers, lock nut. Alrighty. Alright, let's get this together. Yeah, some really nice stuff.